In this video we are going to talk about the best charcoal grill in this year, which is Oklahoma Joe's 19402088 Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned, and let's get into the video. The Oklahoma Joe's 19402088 Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill is a compact and durable grill that is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who love to grill on the go. In this review article, we will take a closer look at the features and performance of this grill. Features: the Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill is made of heavy-duty steel, which provides durability and longevity. It has a compact size, measuring 23.8 by 15 by 15.6 inches, and weighs only 53 pounds, making it easy to transport. The grill also comes with a large handle and two wheels, which make it easy to move around. The cooking area of the grill measures 218 square inches, which is sufficient for cooking for a small group of people. It also comes with a porcelain-coated cooking grate, which ensures that your food does not stick to the surface and is easy to clean. The grill also features a built-in temperature gauge, which allows you to monitor the temperature of your grill, and a removable ash pan, which makes it easy to clean the grill after use. Performance: the Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill is easy to assemble and use. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, allowing you to cook your food evenly. The grill also has good ventilation, which ensures that your food is cooked to perfection. The porcelain-coated cooking grate ensures that your food does not stick to the surface and is easy to clean. The built-in temperature gauge is accurate and allows you to monitor the temperature of your grill, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.